Is your heart ablaze for God? Jesus flogged people in the temple one day, and he said, the zeal of my father's house has consumed me. There is a certain zeal that when you carry, you will not tolerate certain prayerlessness around your life. Not only you will not be able to put up with prayerlessness in your life, but you will not tolerate it around your environment. You will actually feel bad when people around you are prayerless, and that will push you to start to teach them about the importance of prayer. You will not know when you are already teaching them, see, prayer is very important. You know, it's because you can't bear to see people who don't pray, people who don't understand that we need to pray, that men ought to pray. When you see men weak, panicking and crying, you will be offended, because you know that there is a way out if only they knew how to tarry before the Lord. Somebody say, the zeal of my father's house.
The zeal of my father's house.
You will not be comfortable to see people dying in sin. There will be this hunger when somebody is zealous and they are ablaze for God. They can easily declare fasting without it being declared by the church. They can easily take 3 days fasting and really spend time before the Lord. Some of us fast, but what we do is just starvation, because the strength of fasting is in the tarrying. The strength of fasting is in the waiting. The zeal. You must be ablaze. You must be on fire. The things of the Lord must excite you seriously. So you cannot. That's why when somebody joins church workers, church leadership, they are no more the people that they are pursuing and running after to attend service, because they are the ones that have crossed that limit and getting to a higher level of commitment. They are instead the one looking for others that are not committed to bring them to church. Are you getting what I'm saying? It's very, very key and capital for you and I to be ablaze for God. You will be so excited in the things that bring souls. When they say there is crusades, you are waiting for the handbills to start sharing them. You see, you have this excitement to do the things of God, and this hunger to wait before God and to seek the face of God.